This is a gold chart, the weekly chart, right? We can still see divergence. 1300 was hidden this week. The next week will be very, very, very important for the gold. Now about the market and the indices, guys. The situation is very interesting. And I tell you what I mean. Take a look on the DAX, right? Take a look on the DAX. Take a look on the MACD of the DAX, right? Watch this bearish divergence. So now the question is what's gonna happen. To be honest, as for now, I believe that this resistance, this unbelievably resistance close to 6300 and even little higher, will be broken up. Right? I believe it will be broken up, and this divergence will be broken up. This divergence you can see here. If it happened, we can look for another very, very, very serious move. Maybe even until the next resistance, which find no, sorry, right here. Where is it? Here, and close to 7100, right? Maybe until this level. So the next 2 weeks on the market will be critical, very, very, very critical. Will it keep going up? It depends on the next 2 weeks. Why? Because if 6300 is broken and the weekly chart closes above, that means that the markets are going up as opposite to all overall idea in the market that all the analysts expect short moves. Will it come? I really, really not sure. As for now, I prefer not to touch the indices in the upcoming 2 weeks. I just want to see what is happening around 6300 on the DAX. As for me, the DAX is the major indices for now. It means it will affect all that's gonna happen with other indices. But you can see on the ISP the same situation right here. Right? We have this where is this resistance, which is 1150, right? If this level is broken, that probably we will keep rising up. Will it happen? I don't know. We should and be patient and just look for the next 2 weeks. And the next and the last one is dollar yen, guys. I forgot about this. I mentioned the monthly chart. You remember it from a few weeks ago. We still have this bullish potential divergence on monthly chart. You can see right here this strongly, powerfully support line, right? And a bullish divergence. If we get a monthly bullish candle, that means that we are going up. But it's monthly chart, and we want to look for short-term chart. And for short-term, you remember the daily chart, right? This line was broken and we were going up. Now, you all remember this one crazy day, right? And now probably the market will gonna test this line and then move up. Another situation that can happen in dollar yen that we will see, as you can see here, a hidden bullish divergence between these two lows on the stochastic that are going down and these two lows on the chart that are going up. So dollar yen is another pair I am looking for. We're still very bullish because of the divergences. Will it happen on the next days? As for now, just sit on the fence, and all about that refers to the Japanese yen. But it looks like we're gonna get some opportunities in this currency very, very, very soon. So just to sum it up, because this weekly review was little long for this week, and it was just because I have a lot to say about the market, as you saw. Just enjoy the intraday up moves, but be aware of the divergences. The first time they failed, right? During this week, 133 level on the euro failed, and 157.20 level on the British pound failed. It's okay. That means we are still going up. But when first divergence is broken and fail, that means the second or the third will cause a super powerfully and a major change on the market. Just be aware of that. I'm not sure that it will come this week, but be aware of it. You know how to look for divergences, and you know how to look for. So and the setups is Canadian against the franc, Swiss the franc against the Japanese yen, Australian against the dollar. You saw the strong divergence, and that's all for now. I think I had another one, which is no. Pound franc I told about, right? The pound franc I told about it, so that's all. That's all for now. Dollar yen, you know. Gold, you know to follow it. And the dollar against the Canadian, I talked about it in the previous week. And just be prepared because during the next 2 weeks, I believe the market will choose the next direction. So be prepared, and the two first weeks of October will be very critical for the markets. I wish you a great week, profitable week, and thank you for watching this video. Vladimir, goodbye.